We were done with the portion of reading comprehension. Now let's start discussing questions related to vocabulary portion. So the question is, look at the list of nouns in the box below. There are also verbs. Select the correct ones to fill the blanks. You may need to make some tense changes. तो आपके पास कुछ words हैं, ये nouns के तौर पे भी use होते हैं और verbs की तरह भी use होते हैं. You have to use these words in blanks, but आपको इनको थोड़ा सा form change करना पड़ेगा according to the requirement of the sentence. So let's begin. First is, try and dash what the house will be like once the builders have finished. So it will be picture. Second is, Mr. Nasser will dash this meeting as our usual president is ill today. Will chair this meeting. Chair verb के तौर पे आएगा. Chair का मतलब होता है just like a chairman of some institute or company or organization. Third is, Shakespeare is considered to be the writer who coined more phrases than anyone else. Coined का मतलब होता है to make up. Fourth is, can you help me with these leaflets, Abrar? I have to dash one to every woman who is with a child. I have to hand one. Fifth is, this wall is too rough. We will have to dash it down before we can paint it. So we have to sand it down. Sand का मतलब होता है to rub with a sandpaper. Sixth is, the smugglers dashed their boat and unloaded the stolen goods into the waiting car. Beached their boat. Beached का मतलब होता है to land on a beach. Seventh is, that student of mine has been dashed me with stupid questions all week. Why doesn't he go and use the library? Dodging me. Dodging का मतलब होता है to trouble. Eighth is, a male wolf can dash up to 200 cubs in its lifetime. Can father up to 200 cubs. Ninth is, the snow is getting really heavy now. I think we should dash for help down in the valley. Radio for help down. 10th is, why don't you dash a letter to your father seeing as you have a spare 20 minutes? Why don't you pen a letter? It means to write. 11th is, Captain, how many men were dashed the lifeboats when the ship finally sank? It will be many. Many का मतलब होता है to take charge of a certain job. 12th is, sir, could you get out of your car, please? We have just dashed you doing over 115 miles per hour. Do you have an explanation? We have just clocked you doing. Clocked का मतलब होता है notice करना. So we are done with our vocabulary portion. Thank you.